Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to locate your player ID in Quick Hit slots. To locate your player ID in Quick Hit slots, open the application first on your device. From the home page, click the gear button or the settings icon at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu where you will be able to find your player name, player ID, and the version that you are using. Right underneath player ID, you will be able to see your ID displayed. Note down your player ID for account recovery or support purposes. So that's how you easily find your player ID in Quick Hit slots. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.